Alright, today we're going to install 1-inch cordless vinyl blind, 30-inch by 64-inch. Installing this will be the same as pretty much any other cordless vine of the same brand. So let's get started. Alright, here are the directions. You can do it inside the window frame or outside the window frame. And we're just going to show you visually. First, we're going to hold the rail up to the outside. We'll draw pencil marks. And we'll mark each location there where the components are. Put the brackets on there. Okay, putting the holder up on top. This is the top of the frame. We're going to mark the edges. I got one mark edge. I got to mark the top too. Well, not that far, just the edges. There you go. It's my helper. Thank you very much. And we'll do the same thing on the other side in a minute. Alright, next we pull the frame down. Now we're going to mark where the components are inside. But we're going to mark it on the wall. See, put a line up, line up. Alright, so we got the components marked with the X. So that we do not put our brackets on the X or within that boundary because it will interfere with the control parts, the components that actually roll the blinds up and down. Alright, next we're going to mark our drill holes. We're going to put where the screws are. Again, make sure that we are either on this side of that X or the outside of the X. We're going to put it on the outside towards the end here where we marked. Always use a pencil, forgot to mention. Never use pen. Okay, see this little bracket right there? That one, if you're doing it on the outside, make sure that that is facing on the wall and down. If you're doing it on the inside of the frame, you want it, it's going to be hanging down like so. So that part will be up here, and you'll put this bracket down. So basically it's going to be facing the same way. Okay, so we're doing it on the outside. Okay, I used that 332 drill bit to drill pilot hole, to drill a pilot hole there. Now I got the screws in there. You can go one size up if you want. It should still be okay. But this worked out fine. And then just screw those in. And then we'll readjust it to make it line up on the bottom before we tighten it all up. Okay, it says to attach the head rail end caps to the top and bottom. Let's see here. Mine are, they came already attached, so there it is. But in case they're loose, you just reattach them. Okay, now we're gonna put it up on top and mount it to the wall. Alright, now we're gonna put these shades on the bracket and mount it. We're gonna hook it on this right here. We're gonna hook this very top part. We're gonna hook, kind of loop it in there, and then pull it down. Want to make sure, of course, we get between those components, right? We don't want those. There you go. Don't want those components interfered with. So we got it on a hook. Got the other side. There you go. Hooked up. Now we can slide it a little bit, so that way the components are lined up. There now. So you have them on the hook. Now we'll gently pull it down. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit here. Sorry about that. And the bracket right there, that latch, we're gonna latch it into the bottom. You see all the scratch marks already made. It should pop right in. Oh, if I don't drop it. Alright, there we go, we got it in. If you have a little bit, it's pretty easy to pop in, but it's very easy not to make it secure. So we may have to come down here on the bottom and pull this latch all the way over on the lip, so that way it's more secure, and give it a little test, make sure it works. That way it doesn't keep falling. Otherwise, if it's not latched, that thing is, the blinds are going to keep falling. But now that we have it latched, it's secure, it's not going to fall. Okay, and then that lip is inside on the catch, so we're good. And that's it, we're mounted. So let's pull this down. All right, it's cordless, there's no cords on the side. Just pull, give it a little pull, and it should go up. If not, you can just kind of push it up nice and gently. I like it, that's cool. All right, let's put the rod that moves the blinds. Let's install the rod. There's the rod. We'll hook it up right here. Very simple. There it is. So when you do install it, make sure that little piece, this little piece right here, is on the outside. I mean, well, towards you, towards the house, inside the house. That way you can put the rod in. You don't want it next to the window, you won't be able to use the rod. Alright. Very nice. Yeah, very easy to install. It took about 10 minutes. It's an easy install. Alright, hope you liked it. Have a good day.